Most people fail at digital income because they start with content instead of clarity. So in this video, I'll be showing you simple way to start monetizing your knowledge, start making money online for the next 90 days. So if this video is for you, please do well to stick around. My name is Tawakalito Honda and I will be giving you 100% value today. Feel free to like, subscribe, and get a pen because you're in for a treat. So the first 30 days is for you to pick one skill you are good at, not what you're going to be learning, not what somebody tells you, but what you know, you are convinced you are good at. The next question is, who needs this skill? It's very important that you understand clarity and positioning for the first 30 days. Pick one skill you are good at, who needs it, and what is the pain point of the person that needs it, meaning the problem, the pain, what you're going to be solving, what's the solution you're going to be giving. So for example, you are a stylist. Are you for every gender? Are you for maybe, are you meant for the female or male or children? Just pick a skill. So if you're a female stylist, for example, what will you be making? What kind of style are you good at? Are you good at everything or just a particular thing? For these 30 days, please do not start thinking of, oh, logo, website. You know, you're going to feel overwhelmed, and at the end of the day, you stop and not even do anything. That's why I said clarity is important. Who needs my skill, and how am I going to position myself for them to know that I know what I'm doing and I'm going to be giving 100% value. So for the next 30 days, it's all about clarity and positioning. You're just going to position yourself as somebody that knows what he or she is doing and give out value. It's simple, not overthinking, just give value. But some people are of the school of thought that once you know you're good at something, just launch a product. For me, I haven't tried that, but what I have tried, and I know it has worked over and over again, is to understand who my audience is and what do they need, and start giving them value. Like I said, if you're a stylist, what do they need? Who are you going to be beautifying? Is it the male gender or the female gender? So for the second phase is all about trust, trust, trust. You need to show up. You need to show up and let people trust you. You can only show up if you appear consistently, if you give value. So, and you might want to ask, how do I do this? The first thing is pick a platform you're going to be using. Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, just pick a platform and show up consistently. Are you good at video? For me, I would say do videos. Videos work very well. So you can say, okay, maybe a talking head video. Try to do videos over and over again, explaining the problems you are going to be giving out solution, the products you have. Now it's not about money, but it's about you building trust and giving value. The third stage and the final stage is the monetization stage. This particular stage, you need to over deliver. You need to go above and beyond. Also remember, you cannot just jump to the third stage. You must have gone through the first stage, the second stage, before the third stage. This monetization stage, people already trust you. They've fallen in love with your brand. They have seen you being consistent over the few couple of days or months, right? So in this stage, you are going to now introduce, some people do one-on-one coaching, some people do simple framework, guide. Just introduce your product out there, but ensure you give value to the fullest. So, for example, you're explaining to someone, oh, how to take care of your child if you're a nursing mother, or you need a particular product. Maybe you want to shop from Alibaba, or this is how to take care of your child. This is the number you need to call. This is a particular, you need to give detailed explanation to whatever pain you are providing solution. Please do not assume they know it. These people, they are coming to you because you are the expert. So you need to break it down to the simplest form. This is where, that's where customers fall in love with you. Even when your product is not there, they still reach out to you. Oh, please, on certain time I came to, that is where referrals come in now. So you need to be able to over deliver. Make people, let people trust you. Just give the best. And when you give your best, and when you do this, you see that you are not going to struggle with sales or making money online. Make sure you know what you're doing. Make sure you have studied your product, is something you're good at, and give value consistently. Over time, you see that you make money again and again. So if you have gotten value from this video, please feel free to like, subscribe, and tell someone about this channel. Remember to follow these simple frameworks to start making money online.